Is your Windows Update screen just stuck with a black background and a spinning circle? You are not alone. Many users face this issue where Windows Update refuses to load, showing nothing but a blank page forever. But the good news is this can be fixed in minutes. In this video, I will walk you through simple, real working solutions that anyone can do. No reinstall, no headache, just step-by-step fixes that solve the issue for good. Watch till the end, because skipping steps might leave the problem unsolved. Let us begin. 1. Restart the Windows Update services. First, we will restart some background services that may have crashed silently. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. A new window will open. Scroll down and find these 3 services. 1. Windows Update. 2. Background Intelligent Transfer Service. 3. Cryptographic services. Right-click on each one and choose Restart. If any of them are already stopped, right-click and choose Start. Close the services window and check if the update page now loads properly. If not, move to the next fix. 2. Clear Windows Update cache. Sometimes, old or corrupted files in the Update folder cause this issue. Let us clear them. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Now type these commands one by one. I will go slow. Type netstop wazrf, netstop bits, netstop SFC. This stops the update-related services. Now delete the cached files with this command. del/s/q%winder%\software distribution\download. After this, restart the services. netstart wazrf, netstart bits, netstart SFC. Close the command prompt and try to open Windows Update again. Still stuck? Let us dig deeper. 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to System. Then Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let Windows scan and fix any known problems with the Update module. This process takes a minute or 2. If it finds and fixes something, restart your PC before checking again. 4. Use SFC and DISM to fix corrupt system files. If the issue is coming from damaged Windows files, this step can help. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Now type SFC/scan now. This scan may take 5 to 10 minutes. Once finished, run this command next. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This will repair your system image using official files. Once done, restart your PC. Now check Windows Update. Is it working? If yes, congratulations. If not, we have one final method. 5. Reset Windows Update components manually. This is the strongest fix. Open PowerShell as administrator. Paste and run this full reset command. Copy-paste it from description. This resets all update-related files and services. After this, restart your system and go back to Settings and Windows Update. It should now load correctly. If one of these methods helped you, let me know in the comments. And if it saved you from a reinstall or hours of frustration, please consider subscribing for more simple and real tech fixes. I post honest, working solutions for gaming errors, Windows issues, and performance tips, all tested and explained in simple steps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5